Welcome to my course Electrochemical Energy Storage. It is a 12 weeks course and I am Subhashish Basu Majumdar, Professor in Material Science Center, IIT Kharagpur. I did my PhD in Material Science from IIT Kanpur and subsequently I have worked in different laboratories in United States, Germany and also in Taiwan and gain experience on electrochemical storage material, particularly lithium ion battery. So, this course is a comprehensive and well structured course on electrochemical energy storage. It illustrates mostly the diversity of the applications for secondary batteries along with their main characteristics required of them in terms of the storage. The introductory module that I will introduce the concept of energy storage and briefly describe the energy conversion phenomena. The modules are also devoted to present the useful definitions and measurement method used in electrochemical storage. Subsequently, in other modules, I will mostly elaborate on lithium ion batteries, sodium ion batteries, supercapacitors, the futuristic technology lithium air, lithium sulfur, and also we will touch the well developed lead acid battery technology. Separate modules are devoted to describe the lithium reserves, their extraction of lithium and recycling, because this lithium ion battery as a secondary electrochemical storage that will be used in near future not only in consumer electronic applications, but they will be also used for electric vehicles and storage for renewable energies including solar, wind and hydro power. But we do not have sufficient amount of lithium storage in our globe. So, recycling is one of the most important issues, and along with that other chemistries, other battery chemistries like sodium ion battery, that will also come in a big way. So, we will also introduce the concepts relevant to sodium ion battery in this particular lecture. The course is divided into 12 modules, each contains 5 half-an-hour lectures. The module lectures are all self-contained to encourage student understanding and reinforcement of the concepts taught in the class. Carefully designed problem set will help the students to grasp the underlying concepts that I will teach in the course. The course is primarily designed for the third year and final year UG, for BE and MSc students and first semester PG students as well as PhD students who are studying in metallurgy and materials engineering or material science, energy science, nanotechnology and also in ceramic technology. It is an elective course and it covers the all aspects of electrochemical energy storage. The course could be a prerequisite for depth as well as breadth course such as advanced lithium and sodium ion batteries, dual ion batteries, supercapacitor hybrids. These types of storage materials are used not only for consumer electronic application, but also for electric mobility and renewable energy storage. In-depth knowledge on electrochemical storage will be beneficial for the undergraduates to find job in related industries. For postgraduate and PhD students who are working, doing research in the relevant field, this course will be very much useful for their understanding on the basic material aspect and fabrication aspect of various types of rechargeable cells. There is as such no prerequisite for this course. High school level knowledge on physics, chemistry and mathematics, that is sufficient. Engineers working in the related industries and scientists working in the relevant areas in national laboratories, they will also find this course quite useful for their purpose. We have two teaching assistants who will assist you with the course content, and each of these 12 modules contain 5 well structured lectures of 30-minute duration. At the end of each lecture, you will find the study material, reference material for each lecture taught, and also the reference material for further study. And I will suggest you to read these study materials thoroughly after you attend each of these lecture, and this practice will grossly help your understanding. Assignment problems will be provided after the end of each module. The problems are carefully selected to test your understanding on the taught subject matter. Try to solve these problems yourself. I have assigned two teaching assistants. I already showed their pictures, Dr. Debashish and Mr. Arijit. They will help you in case you you are not able to solve a particular problem. They will give you sufficient hint, and also if you have any doubt, we will arrange at least 3 to 4 doubt clearing session of 1 hour each during the course. I will also be present along with my teaching assistant to clarify your doubts. So, feel free to ask questions, and in case you have any difficulties in any of the topics, please get back to us. And I emphasize that the student should read the subject matter from the referred books, and also try to solve additional problem that you might have from the reference given for further understanding. And I suggest you to solve the assignment problems after attending each lectures for each module, and tests will be arranged at the end of the course, and whoever is registered, they can take this test as organized by the organizers. Happy learning, and we will meet next week with detailed lectures. Thank you.